dance is called Rockin. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on the right foot, walk forward, right, left, shuffle forward on the right, right toes, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right, shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Now set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle. You're actually going to repeat those exact same steps again, facing the back. So you're going to walk forward 2 steps, right, left, shuffle forward on the right, rock forward on the left, recover your way back on that right, half shuffle turn, quarter, close, quarter. Just do that once more facing the back. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle. Let's add those 2 sections together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. There you are, basically doing the equivalent of a full turn between those 2 sections, so your half shuffle turn is going in exactly the same direction. Should you need to try and take that out, you need to adjust both sections. So start the same as everybody else, walk, walk, shuffle forward, rock forward on that left and recover. This is where it all changes. Instead of doing your half shuffle, just shuffle back on that left. Then instead of doing your first 2 walks, you walk back, right, left, shuffle back on that right, rock back on that left, recover your weight on that right, instead of your forward rock, and then you just shuffle forward on the left instead of that final half shuffle. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that equivalent full turn out of those sections. You're then going to touch your right toe forward, step your right beside the left, touch the left toe forward, step the left beside the right. So some toe switches. And walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Repeat. Touch your right toe forward, right beside left, left toe forward, left beside right, walk forward, right, left. Now set of steps once more then. Toe switches off on the right. 7, 8, toe and walk, walk, toe and walk, walk. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, toe and walk, walk, toe and walk, walk. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on that left. You're now going to turn a quarter turn to the right as you chasse to the right. So quarter turn right, stepping that right to the side, close side. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side and add on a left-footed coaster step, back, close, step. That set of steps once more then, cross rock off on that right. 7, 8, cross, rock, turn chasse, cross, side, coaster, step. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, toe and walk, walk, toe and walk, walk, cross, rock, turn chasse, cross, side, coaster, step. As you dance, I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Toe and walk, walk, toe and walk, walk. Cross, rock, turn chassé, cross side, coaster step. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Toe and walk, walk, toe and walk, walk. Cross, rock, turn chassé, cross side, coaster step. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Toe and walk, walk, toe and walk, walk. Cross, rock, turn chassé, cross side, coaster step. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Toe, walk, walk. Toe, walk, walk. Cross, rock, turn shuffle, cross side, coaster step. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Toe, walk, walk. Toe, walk, walk. Cross, rock, turn chassé, cross side, coaster step. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Toe, walk, walk. Toe, walk, walk. Cross, rock, turn chassé, cross side, coaster step. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Toe, walk, walk. Toe, walk, walk. Cross, rock, turn chassé, cross side, coaster step.
With a big cigar, getting into his car. I stopped and I waited for him to back up.
Toes.
From out of nowhere, a Mercedes Benz
Cross rock.
came cruising up and whipped right in some beach. Somewhere. There's nowhere to go when you got all day.
Cross rock. Walk.
Margaritas and hot senoritas,
Walk.
smiling with long dark hair on the
Toe.
beach.
Cross rock.
I sat in that waiting room, it seemed like all afternoon. The nurse finally said, Doc's ready for you. You're not gonna feel a thing, we'll give you some Novocaine. You'll be fine in a minute or two. But he stuck that needle down deep in my gun, and he started drilling before I was done. Some beach, somewhere. There's a beautiful sunset burning up the afternoon.
Hope you managed that one.